How are you doing that?
Doing what?
You're putting pennies in, man. Mine's only take bills.
So there are 6 reasons why people purchase whole house fans. The first 2 reasons are all AC savings related. So the first reason is save 50 to 90% on your AC bill. The reason you can do that is because of a scientific principle called thermal mass cooling. All we're talking about is bringing down the core temperature of the home. And so with air conditioning, you've got a closed loop system. So you're simply recycling the same air over and over. But with a whole house fan, as soon as you open a window and bring in new fresh air, you're inducing thermal mass cooling, which means you're dropping the mass, the core temperature of the home. You're extracting heat from the walls, the carpets, the furniture. And so what that means is when you at night run that fan and then get up the next day, the house, it takes longer for it to heat up again. So your air conditioner doesn't have to come on at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the morning. It comes on at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That's where you're getting your AC savings. Reason number 2 is also AC savings related for the exact same reasons. It just means that you're extending the life of your HVAC system by 50 to 90%. This is a big deal because a lot of people don't realize your typical HVAC system is going to cost $8,000 to $12,000. If you've got a custom HVAC system, you could be $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 for that system. So having a whole house fan is just going to make that inevitable replacement or repair later rather than sooner. And by the way, I'm going to add to that, extend the life of your roof as well, because when you extract that heat pocket from your attic, you're getting rid of heat and moisture. So reason number 3 is instantaneous relief. I always use the example, if you and I go out and play 3 sets of tennis and come back to the house, I don't care how low you set the thermostat, if I spot a fan, even a small little desktop fan, I'm going to go stand in front of it because it gives me instantaneous relief. Just the sensation of moving air across my skin makes me feel 10 degrees cooler. This benefit is available to you in any room in your house at any time. Reason number 4 is also cooling and comfort related, and that is a whole house fan is going to balance the temperature in the home. Oftentimes a 2-story house, the upper stories are too hot, the lower stories are too cool. Well, the fan creates an equilibrium, it balances that temperature out and solves that problem. So reason number 5, simply eliminating odors. Whether you've got kitchen odors, bathroom odors, or if you've been doing arts and crafts or playing with spray paint in the basement or whatnot, 3 to 4 minutes is all it takes for a whole house fan to give you a complete air exchange in the house. Problem solved. Reason number 6 is the one I'm most passionate about, and that's indoor air quality. If you want to stay healthy this year, then you need to get rid of stagnant air and VOC gases. The American Medical Association will tell you that indoor air pollution is directly responsible, and that's their exact verbiage, for up to 1/3 of our national health bill. Likewise, the Environmental Protection Agency will tell you that indoor air is 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, even in major metropolitan smoggy cities. So given those statistics, we can see that it's very important to exchange the indoor air with fresh air from outside. Let's go ahead and summarize those 6 reasons. Reason number 1, save 50 to 90% on your AC bill. Reason number 2, extend the life of your HVAC system by 50 to 90%. Reason number 3 is instantaneous relief. Reason number 4 is balancing the temperature in the home. Reason number 5 is eliminating odors. And reason number 6 is improving indoor air quality.
With my QuietCool whole house fan, I can keep my home comfortable for a fraction of the cost of constantly running the AC.
A fraction, huh?
Yeah, and it's quieter too.
What?
It's quieter too.
Ah.